Welcome. This is Release and Return, a guided meditation created to help you unwind, release the weight of anxious thoughts, and return to a state of calm presence. As you listen, allow the world around you to fade for a while. Find a comfortable position and let each breath carry you deeper into peace. This time belongs entirely to you, a space to rest, to breathe, to heal. When you're ready, close your eyes and let us begin. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. You may choose to sit or lie down. Allow yourself to settle and know that for the next little while, there is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, and nothing to prove. This time is yours, a space to rest, to breathe, to come home to yourself. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice that the breath comes naturally. You don't need to control it. Simply witness the flow. Let the next breath be just a little slower, a little deeper. Breathing in calm and breathing out tension. With every exhale, allow your body to soften, your shoulders releasing, your jaw unclenching, the muscles around your eyes relaxing completely. Each breath brings you closer to stillness. Each exhale releases a little more weight. Feel yourself sinking deeper, as if you're gently floating in warm water. There's nowhere else to go, only this moment. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation spreading across your scalp, melting away the tiny muscles around your forehead and temples. Your thoughts begin to slow, becoming quiet ripples on a calm lake. This calm descends down the back of your head to your neck, flowing like warm sunlight across your shoulders. You may feel a slight tingling, a sense of release. With every breath, this warmth spreads further, down your arms, to your hands, and through to the very tips of your fingers. Let your hands rest, open and easy. Let them be still. Now bring your focus back to your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall as you breathe. The air moves through you like a soft ocean tide. Your heart beats steadily. A quiet reminder that you are alive, safe, and here. Breathe into your heart. Imagine it, glowing faintly with light. Perhaps it's golden or blue or soft white. Whatever feels peaceful to you, let this light expand with each breath, spreading through your chest, radiating comfort. Now, turn your awareness to your back. Feel the muscles alongside your spine gently unwind. The tension that's been holding you upright all day, it no longer needs to. You can let it go. Let your back melt into the surface beneath you, supported, held. Your lower back softens, your hips loosen, the weight of your body sinks deeper into stillness. Bring attention to your legs. They have carried you through so much. Silently thank them and allow them to rest now. From your thighs to your knees to your calves and ankles, all the way down to your feet, let every muscle lengthen and release. Your whole body now rests in quiet awareness. From head to toe, you are safe, calm, and grounded. Now imagine a gentle current of air moving around you. Not cold, not warm, just a perfect neutral breeze. It flows through you, washing away anxiety, carrying out all that no longer serves you. Each breath in draws peace, each breath out releases tension. Breathe in serenity, breathe out worry, breathe in clarity, breathe out doubt. If a thought arises, let it come and let it drift away. You don't have to follow it. You are not your thoughts. You are the space beneath them. The calm ocean under the waves. Imagine now that you are surrounded by light, soft, endless, tranquil light. It has no source. It simply exists. This light knows no fear, no expectation, no hurry. You are part of that light. You are safe inside it. Every cell in your body absorbs this calm energy. And with every heartbeat, it flows a little deeper. You might feel warmth in your hands, or a flutter in your chest, or simply peace. Allow it all. The mind may wander again. That's okay. Just notice and return to the breath. Gentle, steady, real. Steady, real. This is where healing begins, not by forcing, but by allowing the body to rest, allowing the mind to slow, allowing yourself to simply be. Now, imagine your breath as light moving through you. With each inhale, it gathers at the center of your chest. With each exhale, it spreads outward, down your arms, through your torso, down your legs, until you are surrounded by a cocoon of soft illumination. This is your calm. This is your sanctuary. Nothing can disturb you here. If there is any place in your body that still holds tension, perhaps in your shoulders, your jaw, your stomach, Breathe directly into it. Send your awareness there. Let it know it's okay to release. Let it soften. As you exhale, imagine that tension dissolving into the air, becoming nothing. You are weightless. You are whole. You are safe. Now, bring to mind something simple that brings you joy. The sound of rain, the warmth of a pet resting beside you, the smile of someone you love. Feel that small joy expand in your chest until it fills you entirely. Joy is peace in motion. Peace is joy at rest, and both exist inside you. Let your breath flow naturally again. Notice how calm it has become. Smooth, quiet, effortless. That's how peace feels. Not loud or grand, but soft and steady. Every breath now reminds you, you have survived every anxious moment before. You are stronger than the storm, and you are learning, breath by breath, to let peace be your home. As you rest here in stillness, know that relaxation is not something you do, it's something you allow, like clouds parting on their own, revealing the sky that was always there. You are that sky, vast, steady, and open. Whatever comes and goes, thoughts, sensations, emotions, they are simply clouds. You are the space they move through. Let's sit in silence for a few moments together now. Just the breath and the quiet. When you are ready, begin to bring awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you, the air touching your skin, the gentle rhythm of your breath. There's no rush. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms if that feels good. Allow yourself to slowly awaken, carrying this stillness with you. Know that this calm does not end when the meditation ends. It travels with you. A quiet strength that lives in your chest. Whenever anxiety stirs again, you can return to this breath, this space, this peace. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently and exhale completely. Let go. You are calm. You are safe. You are here. You are whole. You are whole. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You've given yourself this time to breathe, to rest, to remember what peace feels like. Carry that calm with you now. Let it move quietly beneath your thoughts, a steady rhythm guiding you through the day. When the world feels heavy, return to this breath, return to this stillness, and remember that peace was never lost. It lives within you. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. May you move forward with ease, with clarity, and with kindness.